Hi everyone, welcome back to our new channel, Infinite Health and Wellness with Dr. Tracey McCarthy. Hopefully everyone's having a great day and looking forward to a great weekend. We also hope that you've had a chance to listen to part 1 and part 2 of our series on self-awareness and are ready to look even more closely at some of the very specific benefits of becoming more self-aware. So let's rock and roll. Now that we've explored the dimensions of self-awareness, let's look at 7 specific ways in which self-awareness can work to help individuals better realize their overall human potential and purpose in life. Number 1, self-awareness increases self-acceptance. When we clearly understand ourselves, we are better able to accept who we are, value who we are, and make the most of who we are. Unfortunately, however, many people spend a lot of precious time trying to live out the dreams, desires, plans, and projections of other people. This is particularly the case when one is not self-aware. So when a person does not know who they are or how or why they function the way they do, they are more prone to accept external definitions of who they are supposed to be versus who they actually are. Number 2, self-awareness helps to cultivate a purpose-driven life. When people are self-aware, they are better able to identify and pursue what is best for them and what fits with their own purpose, needs, desires, and specifically their gifts. Self-awareness also helps us to stay in our own lane in life. You've probably heard that phrase before. This keeps us from wasting time following the wrong paths that are not ours to follow in the first place. When we are self-aware, we are better able to meaningfully redeem our own individual time on this earth, which is very short. Self-awareness also fosters better decision making. When people are self-aware, they are less likely to make poor decisions that will not serve them well in life. This includes decisions regarding physical health, education, careers, romantic relationships, family relationships, and business decisions. Number 4, self-awareness fosters self-confidence. Self-aware people are likely to be more confident in their engagements in the world and in their plans in life, and this leads to greater success along life's journey. Self-awareness cultivates a sense of personal self-control, and this keeps people from being blown about by each and every wind of change or adversity which might cross their path. Self-awareness also keeps us from being overconfident or overly anxious about our abilities and possibilities in life. When people are self-aware, they do not tend to either overestimate or underestimate their skills and abilities in life. They know exactly what they bring to the table and the value of the gifts they bring. Number 5, self-awareness increases authenticity. When we are self-aware, we are better able to stay in touch with our own values, strengths, passions, weaknesses, our own ambitions, and our own sense of satisfaction in life. For these reasons, self-awareness can also serve to reduce feelings of stress, anxiety, and depression, which interfere with a person living out their purpose and passion in life. Number 6, self-awareness increases healthy boundaries. This is very important. Self-awareness is crucial in establishing interpersonal boundaries, and self-aware people tend to feel more comfortable with setting and maintaining healthy boundaries between themselves and others. It helps to put limits on what you will and will not do in life and what you will and will not allow others to do to you in life. When a person is self-aware, they are less likely to fall prey to those in life who seek to manipulate and abuse, whether it's physically, emotionally, sexually, financially, or spiritually. Self-awareness therefore helps many people to stay out of or remove themselves from unhealthy and toxic relationships and situations which do not serve them or their health and wellness very well at all. And finally, number 7, self-awareness fosters empathic awareness and expression. Self-awareness serves as a foundation for having empathy and compassion for other people, as we mentioned before. It allows us to entertain the viewpoints of others that might diverge from our own viewpoints. When we are aware of who we are also aware of others as distinct and sovereign human beings who deserve the same respect and regard that we do. Self-awareness helps us to be in tune with the fact that everyone else also has a right to their own feelings, their own thoughts, their own desires, their own attitudes, their own vantage points, and their own plans in life. Clearly, self-awareness is more than a theoretical construct, and developing greater self-awareness can support overall health and wellness in countless ways throughout our lives. If you're interested in learning some strategies for becoming more self-aware, stay tuned. Coming up, we will be sharing some activities that you can use on your journey to increase self-awareness and infinite health and wellness. If you want notifications when we upload new content, just hit the notification button and we will see you in class. As always, if you have any thoughts or reflections on self-awareness in your own life or in general, please share your knowledge and insights in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you. Remember, knowledge is power. See you soon.